Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself an OpenSea account. Now, just like in other place, OpenSea account creation, it's a bit different. You need to have a wallet. You don't need a Gmail account, a Facebook account, or anything like that. You need to have a wallet. Now, most people will use MetaMask wallet, and I'm also going to be using MetaMask wallet in this video to teach you guys how to create an account in OpenSea. But you can use whichever wallet in OpenSea you want, right? It just has to be usable by OpenSea. So I know MetaMask is the wallet which can be used, so I'm going to do that. So for that first step, you need to go to Web Store, because wallets can be found in Web Store and you can download it for free. So click on Chrome Web Store. And once you come over here under Chrome Web Store, you can see where it says MetaMask. If you don't see it, you can always search for it, alright? But for me, it's over here, so I'm going to click on it and click on Add to Brave. So click on Add Extension. So I'm going to wait for some time until my wallet is added over here on my extension. And once it's added as our extension, you can click on this little icon over here and click on MetaMask. Once you do that, your MetaMask wallet will open up. Now you need to log in into a MetaMask account. Now, if you don't have a MetaMask wallet account, you can create it pretty easily as well, alright? So I'm going to click on Get Started, click on I agree. Now, since I already have an account, I'm going to click on Import Wallet. But if you don't, you have to go and create a wallet, alright? So I'm going to go and Import Wallet, enter my 12-word recovery phrase over here and create my passport. To create a passport, you need to tick mark this. Click on Import. Wait for some time until your MetaMask wallet loads up. Once it's complete, it's all done. Click on All Done. Now the first step is completed. You created yourself a wallet. Now go back to OpenSea and click on your profile picture over here and go on Profile. And over here choose MetaMask because that's the wallet we just downloaded. So click on MetaMask and your MetaMask will open up at the side like this. Now wait for some time. It's gonna ask you to enter your password first. So over here choose your wallet. I only have one wallet, so this is the only thing I have. So choose that, click on Next, click on Connect, wait for some time now, and it should be done. So that's how simple it is to create yourself an OpenSea account. So hit that subscribe to our channel One Step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.